Hee hee so funny. But wait, why am I crying? Let's find out, meow. Brain triggers emotions. When we laugh really hard, our brain activates the emotion center. And everything goes a little chaotic, meow. Face muscles in action. Laughing uses a lot of face muscles, especially around the eyes. It's like a workout for your face. Pressure on tear glands. The squeezing muscles press on your tear glands. And the tears just pop out. Mixed up signals. Strong emotions confuse your brain's signals. It can't tell laughing from crying. Not sad tears. But don't worry, these are not sad tears. Just too much happiness. Science summary. Laughing hard. Gives face muscles move. Gives tear glands get squeezed. Gives tears come out. It's a normal body reaction. Question for you. Has this ever happened to you? Leave a comment and tell me, meow. Science is everywhere, so cool, right? See you next time for more fun facts. Science is all around us and easy to understand.